Another one. We the best.
In this video we're going to learn how to shape shift. Okay, so to do that we have to have shapes, right, before we can shift those shapes. So I choose the rectangle tool or press F6 on your keyboard, then you can draw a shape. This is a rectangle, right? If you want to draw a square, which means perfect with all sides equal, you have to press the Control key down, and then you have a perfect square. The next shape we're going to take is a circle, and that is called the ellipse tool. You can use your keyboard button F7. I click on that ellipse tool. If I draw, I have an imperfect circle, right? But if I click on the Control button and I draw, my circle will be perfect. So let's use all four shapes to do something interesting. Okay, the perfect square, the rectangle, the perfect circle, and the circle-tangle. The imperfect circle or ellipse basically. So if you look at the square here, you see it has this black dots all around it. Let's zoom that closer so you can see. Okay, it has all this blackness around it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now if I click on this shape tool or press F10, something's going to change. So watch here. Okay, you see what happened? Those 8 nodes, N-O-D-E-S, have just become these 4. Now if I click and drag on any of this, the edge begins to curve. If I drag all in, it turns into a perfect circle. If I release it now, it's a circle. Look at that. Compare the circle with this circle, and you cannot spot the difference because both are perfect circle. I can do the same thing to this. You see? It goes that way and it comes out that way. It goes in that way, it comes out that way. This one, if I click on this here and I drag, it opens up the ellipse into a semi-ellipse. If I do that to the circle, it opens up the circle into a semi-circle or whatever else I want to do. Look at that. So this is simply shape shifting. You are shifting the shape, changing what it looks like. If I close it back, it goes back to that. If I take it back 360 degrees all to the back, you see that? So there are so many things you can do with that. Now, but that's just one way of doing it.